The Northrop Grumman E-2D Hawkeye twin-turboprop-powered aircraft is a special mission platform primarily operated by the United States Navy (USN) service aboard its powerful aircraft carriers. The type is an all-modern, upgraded Airborne Early Warning and Control (AEW&C) platform representing the fourth major iteration of the Hawkeye series that began in the 1960s with the E-2A of 1962. 59 units being built. These were then succeeded by the E-2B based heavily on the A models, but these conversions differed in being completed with improved computer processing systems and revised, enlarged, outer tail fins. The E-2C production run became E-2B platforms with modernized electronics, and enhanced search, surveillance functionality. 63 of this mark were produced, in all of which some were given upgraded turboprop engines. Despite its Cold War-era origins, the Hawkeye platform remains a focal point in the United States Navy's intra-theater airborne defense capabilities concerning its carrier groups. The E-2D model completed its first flight in March of 2007, beginning what would become a protracted development period. Key changes to its design include all new avionics for the new battlefield, all new digital glass cockpit for the crew, more powerful, uprated turboprop engines, and an inbuilt air-to-air refueling capability. The radar has 360-degree, all-weather scanning, electronic and mechanical capabilities, while the identification friend or foe (IFF) system has been enhanced. Electronic support measures has also been broadened and data communications links modernized to go along with open architecture secured network compatibility. Physically, the aircraft is little changed in its appearance. Its arrangement is still dominated by the large radome seated over the aft dorsal spine of the fuselage. The pilots are seated side by side in the cockpit positioned aft of a short nose cone. The wing main planes are shoulder-mounted and of straight-line design, each given an underslung turboprop engine driving 8-bladed propeller units. The tail unit incorporated a quad-finned plane arrangement and the horizontal sections are cranked upwards. A tricycle undercarriage, retractable, is used for deck running, and the usual USN aircraft fixtures, such as an arrestor hook and wing folding, are present. As with other USN carrier-based combat platforms, the E-2D is launched by way of catapult and recovered by arrestor cable. In USN service, the Hawkeye continues to provide real-time battle management command, (BMC) battle space awareness capabilities in the maritime environment, journeying ahead of the force to undertake assessment and provide a defensive buffer to potential attacks planned against the carrier group. Specialists aboard the aircraft manage various consoles and rely on the powerful suite of systems installed on their aircraft. The E-2D series was introduced with USN forces on March 27, 2014 through Squadron VOR 125. Initial operating capability, IOC, was then had that October, and first deployments occurred from USS Theodore Roosevelt in 2015. Some 75 total D models are planned for procurement, with 4 to 5 examples being featured on each primary USN aircraft carrier. In August of 2016, it was announced that Japan has ordered a second E-2D Hawkeye platform. In December of 2017, an E-2D Advanced Hawkeye completed its first aerial refueling action when it was refueled by an accompanying KC-130 tanker aircraft in testing. The Advanced Hawkeye form is slated to enter USN service sometime in 2020 and, among its many improvements, will be an in-flight refueling capability. In January of 2019, the Japan Ministry of Defense has earmarked funds for 5 upcoming fiscal years to procure up to 9 Northrop Grumman E-2D Hawkeye platforms. In April of 2019, the United States Navy has awarded Northrop Grumman a 5-year $3.2 billion contract to buy 24 E-2D Hawkeye platforms.